so next part. We've been talking about the strikes with the stick, also hands, knives, all very similar motions. Stick's just nice and big and very clear as to what's happening with it. That's why it's a good place to start. That's why I usually start people on sticks. All right? Bigger motions, easier to learn when you tighten them up for reality. Okay? So, basic footwork comes down to basically a compass. Northeast, southwest, clock face, basically anything that has cardinal and ordinal directions. Think of a compass, northeast, southwest, plus all the halfway points. Okay? 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 1:30, 4:30, 7:30, 10:30. Okay? So, make sense? Okay. Not only is that in front of you everywhere you go, keep that in mind. These are the angles of attack and the angles of being attacked. Right? You don't get very specific. Yes, there's 360 degrees that you can be attacked from, but are you going to develop a movement for every single little degree? No. You generalize. Some systems generalize into very general, which is fine, it works. Some are a little more specific. Some, add in thrusts and things like that and call them different numbers. I don't really use a numbering system. I learned one or two of them, and I prefer terminology that relates directly to forehand, backhand. Doesn't matter if you're left-handed, doesn't matter if you're right-handed, forehand, backhand. Okay. So, diagonal. I don't have to tell you, do the one. Say diagonal forehand. Okay. So, the footwork associated with these follows the same pattern, with that compass point underneath your feet. It's everywhere in front of you, and it's everywhere under you. All right, I'll explain when we get into some advanced footwork why that is. But we start very basic. Okay? To imagine a V right in front of you. Okay? You want to start square. Okay? I sink a little bit. I take one step out to the right with my right. Here, here. Notice I'm bringing my foot up with me. Then back here. Then to the left. Left here. Right back. Right out. Left back. Left out. Right back. Pretty simple, right? Okay. The hydraulic. All right. Once you kind of get that idea, you can start in a more of a fight stance, where I'm pushing off and catching myself. Whatever direction I'm going, I push and I catch, right? So, I'm walking these, I walk these out, here, right? Once I get the idea of walking them, right, then I start bounding. By bounding, I mean I load my weight into the leg that is driving me forward or backwards. My left leg is driving me to the right. This moves first. I lighten my load on my front. I push and I catch. Right to here. Right back. Load it to my right leg because I'm moving to my left. Push, catch. Same here. Load my right leg. Notice my hip turns a little bit. Push off to my left. Left to right. Okay? So what I'm doing is there's this invisible V right here. I'm going push and catch, push and catch, push and catch, push and catch. Okay? All right. I also do that same motion straight up the middle. Okay? In the last video I was talking about jabs, Okay? This is where this comes from. I'm loading my weight, I'm pushing, I'm catching, I'm shuffling, straight forward or straight back. Shuffle, shuffle, go back, shuffle, shuffle. Okay? I'm not stepping and dragging. I'm pushing off and catching. Right? That's why I'm very hydraulic. There's that word again, be hydraulic. Push and catch. Okay? Not bouncing up and down, doing this, not galloping. I'm going straight ahead. Posture's good. Push and catch. Push and catch. That's where this comes in. Okay? So, basic footwork is that. Just very, very basic. Learning to shift your weight into the leg that is going to drive you into the direction you would like to go. All right? Being able to shift your weight on the fly. I'm getting ready to take off here, all the weight's here, but all of a sudden I need to move that way. I shift my weight there and take off that way. That becomes very important for feints, closing distance, and a lot of other good stuff. So just remember, your V's, walk it out, bound it out, and then your shuffles, straight forward, straight back. And you start adding the sticks to it. Okay? All right, that'll be in the next one. We're going to add the sticks to the next one. Thank you.